Unleash your inner pilot with the DJI Avata 2. Prepare for takeoff, flight enthusiasts. Today we've got our hands on the DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo, the ultimate gadget for drone lovers who crave those insane aerial shots and FPV thrills. First up, imagine flying with superhero vision. Thanks to the DJI Goggles 3, those blurry, choppy flights are a thing of the past. Featuring micro-OLED displays, these goggles brag ultra-low latency. Seriously, it's as if your eyes became binoculars with built-in stabilizers. On to movement magic, the RC Motion 3 controller. With it, you don't just fly, you dance. Your hand gestures become effortless flips, spins, drifts, and turns. It's like conducting a symphony, all from the palm of your hand. Ever crash-landed upside down? No worries. With turtle mode, this drone flips itself upright like a ninja acrobat. Add in an armored propeller guard, and you've got a drone built for battles in the tightest of spaces. Film buffs, rejoice. The camera captures majestic 4K videos at 60 frames per second, complete with a 155-degree field of view. Rock-steady stabilization means smooth, cinematic footage, even during wild acrobatics. Made for the sky-high content creator, the Lightcut app funnily chops down editing while AI tools do the heavy lifting. And yes, you can stream live while airborne. Hello, viral vlogs. Not sold yet? With 3 robust batteries, each giving 23 minutes of sky time, this combo beats any fly-and-die drone out there. So, dare to chase the horizon? Click the link in our description and get flying.